ना हो रहा हो फिर. Okay, now let's come to one more set, the easiest set of this. Okay, let's start then. The following diagram shows the water system of a city. A reservoir of water R supplies the water to main tank of locality via pumps 1, 2, 3, 4. The number along each path shows the leakage. In the addition, okay, the pump shows. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So the question is, if the leakage of water on all the path from R to M was equal, I'm again bringing it back to new page. So basically, ये leakages की these are the leakages value, and this also in the taps also there are some leakages happening. Okay, let's start now then. So what does it say? Okay. If the leakage of the water on all the path from R to M was equal, okay, so हर path पे leakage equal है. So suppose if I take this path, first of all R to M, okay, so the leakage will be how much? If we suppose that leakage in tap 1 is X, leakage in tap 2 is Y, and 3 leave for now. See how I'll do it quickly. So if we take this path, first, so leakage will be how much? 11 plus Y plus 4. Now any path you take, leakage will be equal. Okay, so now if I take this path, why have I taken this path? So that I know that both the values are equal. So यहाँ पर दो बार हमें y मिल जाएगा, y cancel हो जाएगा, and I'll be left with x. So this is 3 plus x, 3 plus x, this 3, this x, this 5, 5, y, 4. Okay. From here, 4 gets cancelled and y gets cancelled. So x will be how much? X equal to 3 is the answer. Now let's take the option. X equal to 3 कहाँ है? यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ पे है. Answer. That's it. Done. 10 सेकंड में, sorry, approximately 30 से 40 सेकंड. Okay. If the leakage of water on all the paths are equal, then the pump had the minimum leakage. Exact same question as the previous. So minimum किस में? Third tank में 0 you can spot. I hope you can spot the minimum is at this particular point. This particular pump I mean. So उसी से जुड़ा हुआ question. Pump 3 is the answer. Next one. Okay. Let's check this as well. The following tank shows that, okay, it's what I, if there existed no connection between pump 3 and M, so 3 and M, ये connection नहीं है, and all that, then the leakage or what? Okay, so exact same thing what you did previously. Other existing path had equal leakage. So जैसे पहले किया फिर वैसे ही करना है. So why to solve now? We know ना, हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में भी इसका यूज नहीं किया था, तो फिर तुरंत ऑप्शन ए मान लो, बिकॉज हम जानते हैं अभी भी x की वैल्यू 3 ही आएगी. So 3 is only in this option. So first is the answer. Quickly. मतलब एक क्वेश्चन ने हमारा 3 क्वेश्चन कर दिया. बस पहला सॉल्व किया हमने. Yeah, this one, question number 14. Okay, this is a good one. Let's see. Add to new page. So if the leakage at pump 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4, 3, 1, 2. So यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 3, इस पे 1 और इस पे 2. The question is, which of the following path has the minimum leakage? Okay, so R12M. R12M means this path. So this is how much? 11, 11, 3, 4, 4, 3, 7, 11, 11, 7, 18. R2M. Oh, sorry. R2M का है ये तो, sorry, my bad. R12M. Okay. Now question option 1. R12M. So this is how much? 4, 3, 7, 7, 5, 12, 12, 3, 15, 15, 4, 19. So 19. R4, 3M. R4, 3M. So 5, 2, 7, 7, 4, 11, 11, 11, 1, 12, 12, 4, 16. Last is R4M. So 8 to 10, 10, 5, 15, 15. So minimum is R4M is the answer. That's it. This one, if on a particular day, okay. If on a particular day, water flows through path R13M and the leakage water flows through path R13. Okay, so this is the path followed by water. Okay, remember there's one part given. The flow of the water from R2M is the path that has minimum leakage. Okay, so I am flowing the water intelligently, which means that I am following the path which has minimum leakage. Okay, so this is the path followed. So what will be the leakage over here? If I take x over here, y over here, z over here. Okay, so 3 plus x plus 7 plus z plus 4. Okay, x plus 7, 10, 14, 16. Oh, this is z now. 7, 3, 10, 14. X plus z plus 14. Okay. The question is if on the, and the leakage along the path R1, R12M is 15 liter per hour. Okay. Leakage along the path R12M. R12M is this much. Okay. So R12M will be how much? 11, 3, 14. Sorry, R12M, no, not 14. R12M. So 3 plus X plus 5 plus Y plus 4. So this is how much? 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 4, 12. 12 plus X plus Y. Leakage is 15. Okay, so X plus Y will be 3. Okay, now see, I am leakage here, leakage is 15. Okay, and if I am flowing water from this path and I'm not following this path, so the leakage over here should be less than this. So X plus Z plus 14 should be less than 15, and less than 15, how much value is possible? Only possible value is X plus Z equal to 14, so 0. Okay, which means that X plus Z plus 14, X plus Z plus 14 should be 14, because less than 15, this is only possible value. XZ cannot be negative. So if this is equal to 14, then X plus Z equal to 14, which means that X equal to Z equal to 14. Okay. And from here, if I see X plus Y equal to 15, equal to 15 minus 12 equal to 3, and I know X equal to 0, Y equal to 3 is the answer. So 3 is the answer to this question. That's it. Done. And rest of the set are good one. So this is how, like, you can spot some sets and you can easily do it. Okay. So thank you.